Hindi na ko yan eh. Natabala ito nagyaning oh. Putang ina.
2025 since our adventure starts. No work, no place to go. So, we decided to travel while we live. Antique. We don't wait for memories to come. We make them. But a camping tent for Joy and Neneng. They're so happy when they see the tent. Pero hindi naman namin binuksan at inassemble. Ano pa purpose nito? Wasak na wasak! Sinetup ko na din pati camera ko. Made a lot of storage para only pics. Para lahat ng view, ready to pose. Madalas sa mga biyahe namin wala talaga kaming destinasyon. Pero saan man kami mapadpad, isa lang malaga. Lusbot ng bulsa, pero masaya. This is Joy, Neneng, at ako, Geng Geng. We are on farm. Beware of us.
Ahoy, ahoy, ahoy.
Day and night, lagi na lang ako slow.
I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, she never said a thing about Jesus.
Yeah, boy na to sa.
Yeah, what the good? Ako lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow.
We're going to Boracay! Yeah!
Ah, ito bang?
Terus ko kung mas maabat ka rin, no?
Since our adventure starts. This is Joy, Nining, Geng Geng. Hindi kami bagay maging Jiong. Kay ka-traidor sila, yan nag-tricycle sila, kami yan naglakad. Ikaw yan.
Kahit buti pamilya mo para
Bilin ka dyan. Tawa ba lang nagyan mo no? Heart and I heart. Okay.
dalam ka kalayo, gagawin magaling.
Bye bye, Marisa. Bye. Antique. See you
Next year.
At tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
So ayan, available ng ating new t-shirt.
Massive version 22.
Ayan, sobrang solid guys.
Ay, version.
Hey. So, we decided to travel with live in. Picture ko mo ba yan? Lagi na lang ako.
Make more memories, cause you know, nature is not a place to visit, it is home.